Hi, my name is Ben from Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I'm going to be giving you a walk around of one of our brand new Grand Design Imagine travel trailers. This is a 2023. It's a 2500 RL, and it is, as a lot of Grand Design products, they put a lot of thought into it. And this one, just like the rest, has deeper thought behind it of how they made it. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I believe it's 29 feet and some change. So it's right around that, under 30-foot mark, which is special for a lot of people getting in and out of state campgrounds. 2 doors. You got a door right to the bedroom, and then a door to the main living area. You have a table to sit and eat at, recliners in the back. But I'm not just going to tell you about it. Let's give you a walk around and show you what it's all about. So right up front here, you got your one-piece fiberglass cap, LED light strip, and storage doors. These storage doors, very thick. You can really feel the insulation quality, or get a hint at it by feeling these doors. Magnets to hold it up. Slam latch doors. You can see aluminum framing on the inside. I've had customers before come onto the lot and say, Ben, I need something that can fit whatever camp chair I want to bring, but it happens to be a wide camp chair. I don't know what camp chairs they're bringing, but for whatever reason, I've had a lot of folks that love these big doors. Easy to get things in and out. You don't have to reorganize them that way. So again, it's sometimes it's the little things that end up being the big things. Is sometimes the big things we think they're a big deal, and they're not always a big deal, but the little things that add up to be big things. And so Grand Design helps us make those little things not become big things. On the front here, we do a power tongue jack, propane tanks. They will be filled when you take it. Over here we have our docking station. So pull behind trailer with Grand Design, you're gonna have some of the hookups here, but not all. Hot and cold outdoor shower, spray hose that comes with it. And it is prepped for the tire link, tire pressure monitoring system. These are also motion sensor lights. I just have them on right now, but motion sensor lights. That way, if you're grabbing stuff, you don't have to worry about finding a light switch. In here, you do have your tank fill and city fill capabilities. Just with this switch here, battery disconnect, 110 hookup plug-in if you wanted to be able to plug something in through there. Water fill station, so your potable water. Black tank flush. It's a simple thing, but again, it's the little things that prevent us from having to worry about big things like a black tank flush. Cleaning it out, has a sprayer in there, keeps it nice and fresh and nice and clean. Again, the little things, nice little light here. If you're having to dump your tank at night, you don't make a little mistake that becomes a big thing. Slide boxes on a Grand Design, they're going to be fully laminated. So I mean, I could pound on this all day. It doesn't matter. Fully laminated, not going to cause any damage. But furthermore, with that fully laminated slide box, you have better insulation compared to a lot of the other competitors. They try to get as many windows in as they can. You'll notice, fairly big window here, a couple over here. You do see the edge of the solar panel up there that's on the roof as well. Partially tinted, a little bit better privacy, but also helps prevent the hot sun coming in and really creating an issue with trying to keep up, or the air conditioner trying to keep up. They do add a window here as well, because again, trying to get natural light in every spot that we can. Prep for a backup camera. This is a brand new unit, so we don't really need to, but I'll give us a peek of the upstairs, or I should say the roof. We got a good team effort here, so that's what allows us to do this. All right. Some people don't really know what an RV roof or travel trailer roof looks like, even from the factory. And this is to give you some insight here. Solar panel on the roof comes standard from the factory. That's going to help give us a trickle charge to That fridge, that 12-volt fridge, wine guard system right there. Got some vents. Don't jump on the awning. It's not good to do that. And now for the fun part, we're gonna try to make our way down without falling. All right, and then you can see on the slide box as well, has a similar construction. I'll try not to shake it too much either. Beautiful, thank you. So I'm about 350 pounds, and no, just kidding, I'm not, but walkable roof. So, you know, when you're not holding the camera, it's pretty easy to get up there and do maintenance or check it out. And it's typically not a lot of maintenance that you have to do, but just getting up there, taking a look at things. And it's pretty simple. Maybe, hey, I see a gash there. Hey, I need to reseal it. There's more to it than that, but to keep it simple, that makes a big difference. So on the door side of things, when we take a step back and look at this, having two doors, if you had somebody that was still up, or, you know, somebody else that wanted to go to bed, hey, I got a door directly to the bedroom. You know, if you got somebody sleeping up here, whether it be a young kid or even a guest, hey, I wake up early, want to get outside, you have the bedroom door. So these things don't always matter, but this is the thought that Grand Design puts into it. And when a company puts thought into things, typically means that they care about their customers. Over by the door here, that is a quick connect for a spray port. Rinse off your feet, rinse off your shoes. You got hookups out here where if you wanted to hook up a TV to watch a TV outside, you could. Goodyear tires, Goodyear Endurance tires, quality. You got LED light strip across the top, outdoor speakers. Since this is a bigger awning, they do give you a little support there as well. Again, it's the little things. These doors, they're friction hinges, but you get a magnet to hold that door open. Stairs fold up inside the camper. And when we walk up inside, there is more to talk about when it comes to putting thought into things. So this floor plan right here, you will see come up in different sections for Grand Design. Their reflection product, their fifth wheel reflection product, they have a similar floor plan that they made off of this for one of their 150 series. But here's the concepts. You know, so we lift the TV up. It's a Roku TV, smart TV that comes with it as well, but you lift the TV up, now we got lots of counter space. You still get the storage down below, and we get a wide space. So we have a trailer that is 29 feet 10 inches. So is under 30 feet, but yet we can stand in here and have space. It's an open space, nice open environment, feels really big. You get a place to sit and eat. This table does pull out, so if you want to use it outside you could, but it does make into a nice big sleeping area. The recliners in the back here, you got a cup holder that comes down. This does not make into a bed, but you know, give a guy a couple cold beverages, kick your feet up, you're probably falling asleep. Big back window, windows on the side. So when we're looking at campers on the lot, hey, this is great, it has this, it has that, but at the end of the day, where are you going camping? You know, for a lot of people, they don't think about this. I've had some customers talk to me about this. This is why I know about it. But this big back window, a lot of times you're backing up into a campsite. You don't always have the opportunity to pull through. When you back up into a campsite, you have the availability to have a beautiful view out your back window. So that right there is a huge thing. Small thing, but big thing. Heat vents up off the floor. Underneath our cooking station, have a little bit of a toe cut out here. Again, just little conveniences that add up for us. We have a pegboard down here, so if you want to put pots and pans, organize them a little bit, you have that ability without them rattling around too much. Pull down shades all throughout. Higher level quality, again. With the TV here, it is on a swing arm. So if I pivot it, You know, actually it comes out a little farther, excuse me. So right now, you know, there's some wiring that we got buttoned up together in the back here, but you're still gonna get viewing from over here. Maybe it's not perfect, because it's not straight on, but we are camping, so hopefully we can make some compromises. And then there is, so if you look in the back here, it is a big, heavy-duty TV mount that has a nice capability of swinging on it. So there's a lot of angles that you can do. You can come back with it, so everybody can watch it. So the little things, again, that add up. Lots of storage. We got storage up over here. This is a little bit of a vaulted ceiling as well on this unit. So we're not hitting our heads, but it makes it feel more open. Big 12-volt fridge, fridge-freezer combo. You can already feel it getting cold, and we just put a battery pack on it. Countertop extension. Again, lots of counter space. So these are the things that they're thinking about. Open space, open floor plan, lots of natural light, big back window, under 30 feet, lots of counter space, good storage, extra sleeping, you know, capabilities, versatility. You could pull this table out, you can make it into a big couch, everybody could do movie night. So a lot of thought goes into these trailers. Into the bathroom here, being that it's in the middle, if you woke up, wanted to use the bathroom, but you got somebody maybe up still or sleeping, both doors close. You don't have to cross paths or walk by anybody that's sleeping in the back or still up hanging out or whatever the deal is. Again, little things, sink here, they loop this up so you actually have room with your hands to wash your hands. A little bit of a medicine cabinet with storage. Above the toilet, you got very, very deep storage for towels and linens, things like that. Porcelain toilet, and then you do have a door. Everybody is weirded out by this door, but when it closes, it's like a squeegee and wipes off the water. And if you ever see down below here, looks like there's a gap. That's meant to be there because there's a shower pan behind that. If you seal that, it could cause mold to happen. So that is meant to be that way. They didn't forget to finish that. You got blue light, white light up above here, nice cubbies, 110 USB plugins here, good storage up above. We got hanging storage on both sides, TV backer location on that side if you want to throw a TV up. And you do have one window in the bedroom. Again, they do the best they can with what they got. Gas struts that hold up the bed, and they give you a little organizing drawer that slides back and forth. And then this mattress is, you know, a standard mattress. To me, it feels better than, you know, what they sent 3, 4, 5 years ago, but it is a standard mattress. This is the bedroom in a nutshell, but it is a walk-around bed. A lot of great features. Again, convenience of having door right here. So that's a nutshell of the 2500 RL Imagine. If you have any questions, text me, call me. I'm happy to help any way I can. Thanks for spending some time with us, and have a great day.